Well, boy, do I have a treat for you. Well, not really. I have a treat for me. You know what? I'm hungry again, and I have my mini rice cooker out. It's my #1 travel cooker that I love, and I hope you love it too. And what are we going to do today? I'm going to demo it, and we're going to cook up a batch of rice. Now then, as you can tell, the camera angles are going to be a little funky, but that's okay. Why? Because I'm hungry again. I will show you how the MyMini rice cooker works. It's so simple, so inexpensive. It's under, I believe, $20, and it's low wattage cooking for those on the go like Materry in a hurry. All right, here we go. Well, you can tell there's my bowl. I'm ready to eat. Put that over here. And this is my mini little rice cooker. Now this cooks rice wonderfully. And like I said, it is low wattage. And it's real simple. There's the off button. If you want things to stay warm, it's right there. If you want it to cook, it's right there. Now then, I'm going to run it off of my Blue Eddy EB3A. Let's see, how much power do we have? Because we're going to... this one does not like turning on. All right, there it goes. Oh, that's down to 18%. That's not going to cook anything. All right, believe it or not, I believe the other one would have cooked it. Okay, this one's at 100%. Can you see that there? Yeah, we're running a little dark today. All right, like I said, this is going to be rough shot. So I'm going to bring this over here. Bring over my rice cooker to this. There we go. Now then, it comes with a few things. It comes with a paddle to scoop out the rice, which I lost. It comes with a measuring cup. And we're only doing like a 1/4 cup of rice today. You can do a 1/4 cup of rice or more. Basically, I just put it in there and I've rinsed my rice 3 times. Now, people are going to say, if you're out there camping, where would you rinse your rice? I have walked into restrooms and actually rinsed my rice in a restroom. So anyhow, I'm not too embarrassed about anything. We are going to go ahead and plug this in. Plug it in. Uh-oh, it's going to require both hands. There we go. We plugged it in and we're going to turn it on cook. The other thing it comes with is this handy dandy little recipe book, and let's look at a few recipes while we're at it. Why not, right? What all can we cook with it? Let's see. Important safeguards, blah blah blah. Okay, pay attention. And it says MyMini, and I don't know why it says dash on the inside. It could be the same company, or they could have borrowed the book. All the instructions. All right. Now then, what'll it cook? It'll cook white rice, brown rice, quinoa, sushi rice, barley, oats, steel cut, and oats rolled. So if you want something good for breakfast, you have some oats. Now then, what did I put in mine? Mine has the rice and just a bouillon cube that I chopped up and put it in there. That's why the water's a little bit brown. You can make chicken noodle soup. Using boneless diced chicken breast. All right. What else can you make? Let me hang up the phone. Someone's calling. They're always calling me. Ooh, this one looks like a good recipe. Cilantro lime rice and pineapple fried rice. Oh my gosh, I got to try that one. That'll be my next one. Oh, it also does macaroni and cheese if you're interested. Love some good macaroni and cheese. Ooh, one of my favorites, a taco bowl. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And I have no reason why it's so dark out. Let's see. Rice pudding, Thai coconut rice. If you guys want me to make one of these recipes, just put it in the comments below. Ooh, some turkey chili. Now, I don't know how well this is photographing. Ooh, Thai red curry chicken. Okay, that's next. That's next on my list of things to do. Ooh, that sounds mouth-watering. And something called a Dutch baby. I think it is a dessert, it looks like. Yeah, with powdered sugar, 3 large eggs, flour, milk. Ooh, that might be next. Oh my gosh, it makes pancakes. This little thing makes so many things. All right, so when I'm out there camping, wait, I'll turn it around on me. There we go. When I'm out there camping, I know everybody gigs me. Terry, that's horrible for you. That's okay. I love cans of soup, and that thing will hold a can of soup. Also, what else? If you like making things like this, it makes things like this. Sometimes, these are so from the 70s, I love it. Now then, I have not been, ooh, wait a minute, is there a chicken back there? There's a chicken back there staring at me. Usually I'm like, white rice. Well, Tim from Mobang from your books, he took me shopping and he showed me a few little things to flavor up my rice so it's not so boring. There we go. There's rice seasoning. And, oh, well, this is the bouillon that I put in. But this, if you're into soy sauce, and, this is 10 times better. I get these at the, Asian supermarkets. I never know the right word anymore, but Aromi, oh my gosh, it's so good. And I like it better than soy sauce. All right, so it's been on for a minute, and I will check back in a few. All right, so I turned on my Mini about 2 minutes ago, and my EB3A Blue Eddy is down to 91%. Now then, let's just see how it goes. That's nothing to panic over. The Blue Eddy, they are quick charging, and sometimes it may say 100%, and that may not be accurate. So, yeah, I have my other batteries, my Goal Zero. My Goal Zero doesn't do stuff like that. Now it went from 91 to 90, but that's been another minute. So, as it cooks, let's talk about all the things that you can use this for. Like I said, I bring this. Ooh, it's boiling. Can you see it? It is boiling in there. That looks pretty good. And I'm going to pull back the camera. There we go. All right, so I use it for hotel rooms. I can use it in campgrounds. Usually my Blue Eddy does pretty good with it. Let's see. So if you want a good cup of coffee, this will boil water for coffee or the instant noodles. It'll blanch vegetables. You want some hard-boiled eggs? This thing will do it. I'm going to try a potato recipe in it. It'll make soup, stews. We talked about oatmeal. It'll do pasta, quinoa, some chili. It'll steam vegetables. Dumplings always sounds good. We're going to try the little cake recipes in there, and macaroni and cheese. Now then, it is different than the other MyMini that I have, which is the noodle cooker. This has high walls, and it really traps in the heat good. Yes, it does. It's also under $20, and it's little. It's only less than 6.5 inches high. Easy cleanup. Nothing sticks to this, and it's easy to use. Now, the only thing I don't like about it is if I leave it on the warm, it's going to keep cooking that rice. So, yeah. All right, we've been at it for about 4 minutes. Let me see where the battery's at. 87%. We will cut back in. And as it cooks, you ever go to like, you go out to a restaurant and you want to reheat some food? This is really good for this. Like if I have a burrito, I will scrape all the food out of the burrito, put it in here, put in some water, reheat it up, and then put it back in my burrito. So that's another way of how I use the MyMini rice cooker. I'm telling you, this smells really good. I'm getting real hungry. And I know, Bo, from Living Second Childhood, you're yelling at me saying, why aren't you using the Creole season that I sent you? All in good time, my friend, all in good time. All right, so it was boiling really nicely, as you saw. So yes, you will have no problem making a nice cup of coffee, but I would caution you, it doesn't have a pouring lip. They do sell pouring lips at stores that you can put on cans and everything. So I would, if it's silicone, I would use that. Or I would have a huge bowl that, has a pouring lip and pour the water into that so you don't get burned. Yeah, safety first. This gets a lot hotter than the other MyMini. So yeah, safety. All right, so you're going to ask yourself, well, how do you know when the rice is done? Well, it's going to switch itself from cook to warm. I believe that's what it did yesterday. So we'll check on that. All right, Rice Watch. It's been about 10 minutes. It smells heavenly, and we are at 79%. There we go. All right, sorry, I didn't catch it. It just switched over here to the red warm light. So it didn't move the button, but it did switch over to warm. I don't know if you can see it. And let's see how much battery we used, 77%. I'd say the battery was about 91% when we began. So that's not bad, 13, 14%. Let's see what we got going here. Let us open up. Ooh, that looks good, that looks good. You can tell, let me get my bowl. Like I said, and I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to give it a quick stir. Who needs no stinking rice paddle? I'm going to stir it up. See, it's hardening there on the bottom again, but we don't scrape that up. There we go. Yeah, it's a little rough down there, but oh, it's looking good. Like I said, we're going to do a little bit of this. Oh, I'm so sloppy, aren't I? Get some rice in there. But I do know how to eat, and this is really delicious. All right, next we're going to sprinkle some of this on top. That's where the magic is. And some of this. This is the arome. Put some of that in it. Oh, man. Oh, man. Now, I could have dropped an egg in there, and it would have fried it nicely if you're worried about that, too. All right, let me scoop some up. I'm scooping some up now. All right, open wide, open wide. Open, open, you're not eating it. All right, let's see if it's any good. Let me get a little scoop. Those two toppings really make heavenly rice. They really do. It is so good. Simple and quick, and like I said, cleanup's going to be a breeze. Lucy, get the yum yum, get the yum yum. Well, this is my latest invention, piñatas for puppies, trying to slow down Lucy's eating a little bit by attaching a goodie inside and seeing if she can figure out the trip. Nope. No. And our address is also in the description.